Nathan is going to show us this liner we put in today.
So we got cast iron, and then boom. Liner.
Nice smooth transition.
Yeah, our separation was right here. You can't.
Yeah, you can't
tell.
even see it.
And then we just went past it for good measure.
Yeah.
Good little ways.
You see the interior of that looks so much better than the cast iron that it ties into. Wow.
That's it.
Hey, that looks great.
That's after cleaning and.
Yeah. So this cast iron has been descaled.
It did not look like this before we descaled it.
No kidding.
And then you hook a 90, then you start catching all your
Pictures.
pictures.
Yeah, it looks way better. I was watching that first video that you guys took before we cleaned it. It was
horrible.
It was pretty bad shape. Yeah.